We're gonna try to get this before the battery dies. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the right side is my leaving side of the evaporator. The left side is the reheat coil, my dehumidification coil, which is this one. See how you can see two rows back there? And my camera, get light. See that? The back coil is my evaporator. This one is a single row, right? See those U-bends? It's missing one set. It's a single row reheat coil. See how you can see some coming out this way? This thing is blanketed. Look at it. It's a blanket, man. It's a blanket. It'll keep you warm in the winter. Shit. Yeah, that thing is it's giving me issues, man. Superheat's going crazy on me. It's going low. TXV is hunting. The system kept going off on freezestat. Right, initially it was just going off on freezestat for circuit 2, and then circuit 1 started doing it, but circuit 1 wasn't doing it before. And I'm assuming because circuit 1 has its own little bypass on the bottom. You know, circuit 1 is the bottom half of the evap, and circuit 2 sits on the top half. So circuit 2 is just not getting enough airflow. I measured the amps on this blower motor, and it's rated at, what is that, 6.2? Can you see that? Yeah, it was rated at 6.2. I mean 10.6. And I was getting 6.2, and I checked the static. My static was really high. It was like 0.54 static across these two, and I didn't think it was my evap. Evap looked pretty clean. You could tell on the other side also. And I was gonna go ahead and change this pulley and try to increase the amps on it, but then I started looking into the coils. I'm like, well, let me see behind it. I put my hand back here on the top side, my hand back here, and you could just get all that off, man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this was giving me my issues with the freezestat. The reason circuit 1 is not doing it is getting enough airflow from the bottom half where it can bypass it. You know? Well, not necessarily fully bypass, but look at all that junk down there, man. Yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash this thing. We'll see how it goes. I think I'm gonna take the lid off. Take the lid off of it. I don't want to pull this blower out. I'll take the lid off, and I'll hit it top down, then I get a much better view. But yeah, man, check it out. I'm halfway down, you know. Check this out. See if you can see that. Keep moving the camera. Look at that, man. Look at that. That's the evap. It's clean. Check this out. See how far down I can go. Just a blanket, man. Look at that. Look at that. You can't even see through it. I tried flashing my light, I couldn't get nothing. I poked a little hole here, and I can't see anything. Yeah. Look at that. I'm not even halfway. Look at this. I bet you this is true all the way down. All the way down. Look at that. Man, come on. What am I doing, bro? Look at that. Damn, son. Shit, boy. Yeah, I'm slacking, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna record me cleaning this thing. So if you ever have low superheat on a carrier with they call it a humidizer or something like that, you know, make sure all your liquid diverting valves is working. You got a good subcooling, and make sure your reheat valve, which is your hot gas valve, is opening. If all that checks out, man, I checked it on normal cooling, I checked it in subcool mode, and I checked it in reheat mode, and it was giving me the same symptoms: low suction pressure, low superheat, TXV hunting, subcooling about, you know, anywhere from 16 to 20 degrees. I had good subcooling, but my superheat was just dumping. So just keep an eye out for this reclaim coil. Your evaporator may be good, but that reclaim, it might be all, I don't know how it actually got dirty. That's another thing I gotta figure out. I gotta figure out what's going on there. So that's a whole nother issue, but I gotta get this thing clean and make sure, you know, we got 100% airflow and no more restrictions, and this unit's not starving and giving me issues as far as my air conditioning, because I had 69-degree return, but my saturation was dropping down to 25, 24, and then superheat's tanking. So TXV's gonna keep hunting because, you know, I just got such a cold suction line, so it's gonna overfeed, underfeed, overfeed. So let's get this airflow right. We'll see what's going on.